Hello again, welcome back into my kitchen. In this video, I am going to show you how I make this simple, delicious, tasty homemade coleslaw. How much do you like coleslaw, by the way? Drop it in the comment section and let me know. Stick around and enjoy the rest of the video. Here you have it, my quick and easy, delicious homemade coleslaw. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. Let me know how you go about making your coleslaw as well. Also, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Remember to click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Remember to also check out my upcoming videos at the end of this video. Now I'm going to enjoy my coleslaw with some rice and peas and some brown stewed chicken. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.